on Zoke Kitchen cooking show. Woo! It has been a blast and I have enjoyed every bit of the show. I hope you have too. I know you have. I don't just hope you have. I know you have actually enjoyed every bit of the show. I've been learning how to make different dishes. And I hope you've been learning. Yes, you have been learning because I've seen some of you use our hashtag Food with Zoke Kitchen. It's been trending. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for engaging. Today, we have a chef in the house. He is a gentleman. He is a fine black man. Yes, he has been here on the show before and he serenaded us with a dish. He's here today to cook us a storm once again. And we have no other person but our delectable chef, Love. The name sounds like a lawyer that decided to become a chef.
That's what I used to hear. We used to say, this guy, you shouldn't be lawyers.
Avi, you even sound like them, chef. With this your deep baritone voice.
My lord, my
This voice, you're doing things to me now. You will not say the truth. Anyways, let's get into the show proper. What are you making for us today?
Today, I'm here to make the native jollof rice.
Okay. Rice is my favorite name, so you can imagine the excitement hearing this, that we are making native jollof rice. So what are we using to make this rice?
So what we'll be using to make this rice is stockfish,
okay,
beef and goat meats, euro,
okay,
smoked fish,
okay,
curry,
yeah,
salt, the thyme, black pepper. Black pepper gives it some nice taste. Crayfish, man.
It's
you want to try
right?
It. You want to lay down out. Ponmo, oh, cow skin.
Yeah.
There's no native Nigerian food without ponmo.
Ponmo inside.
It's nothing.
We are incomplete without it.
Palm oil.
Yeah.
Then the tomatoes and pepper and onions. Then tomato paste. Then
Good.
the rice, the style of dish.
Okay.
Rice.
We've heard all the ingredients that you need to make native jollof rice. So guys, let's dive right into the crux of the matter. Chef Lo, take it away.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So we're blending the pepper and the onions and the tomatoes.
Okay.
So let me wash them.
Okay. We are very big on hygiene, so wash any and everything you would want to use. So you remember those days when our parents are cooking, they always use instead from charcoal, right? Abi firewood.
Yeah.
Which one?
Firewood.
Firewood. Then it transcended to charcoal.
Yeah.
Then it went from charcoal to stove.
Yeah.
Then from stove, we are now in the era of gas. Almost everybody have gas in their house.
Even some people use electrical.
Yes, that too.
What's it called now?
So this whole transition, has it really changed the taste of local foods?
Some people say it changes, but I don't think it does, because if you know what you're doing and you can get the right process, you'll get the taste of firewood and gas, electrical. Anyhow you want it, you get the taste.
Just get it right.
Get your ingredients and know how you
know how to do
them.
Okay. So being a guy, a fine one at that, what's the expression and the reaction you get whenever you tell people that you are a chef?
First, ask for free meal, especially the ladies.
Me too, I will ask.
Please, can I get? Okay, I will.
It doesn't work that way, right? You pay.
You
pay. Then we can become friends later.
Exactly.
I can imagine everybody be like, hey, chef, really, can you cook? And then they want to come and visit you in your place so they can cook for them or come to wherever you're working. Why is this smiling like that?
You like that aspect of visiting me now.
Guys, if I have a brother or if I had a brother that cooks, I knew.
Can't you be your boyfriend?
Let's start from there first, please. Heaven is the goal. So if I had a brother that could cook, I most definitely believe that our house would have been filled with girls, because one, my brother is really fine, he's a handsome boy, and you know how all these people that do all these kind of jobs that women should normally do, they get more attention than the other guys.
I don't want it to be too smooth. I want it to be...
Okay. So they get more attention than the other guys. So I can imagine the fleet of girls that have been coming to our house, because being a male chef and being good at it, like the last meal he cooked was eforiro. That meal, jeez, I still can't get over it. I think I'm not going to eat any other meal. Like, I'm not going to taste eforiro any other place other than Chef Law's eforiro. That's how good it was.
I'm ready to serve you.
See, ready to see. That's the thing. They give all this assurance and they sound so sweet. All the girls are running. They are running to him. That is what happens. But anyway, Chef Law is an amazing chef. Follow him on Instagram at chef_law. Order from him. Chef Lo has been cooking us the most delicious native jollof rice that you can ever imagine. It is smelling so nice. It smells so good. So good. So Chef Lo, what are we about to do now?
About to add the rice.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when we add the rice, then we'll put in our scent leaf and we are done with the food, right? Okay guys, we are almost done with making this sumptuous meal. But before we bring to you the favorite part of the show, we are going to go on a short break. So please don't touch the dial. But before we go, please follow all of our social media handles on Facebook and on Instagram at Zoke Kitchen. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. We'll be right back. Guys, we have our plate of native jollof rice, and we have my co-host Amanda to help me taste this sumptuous meal made by Chef Lo. Man can cook, No. He is really, really good. I'm saying this because I tasted of his food before and I'm going to taste this now and I'm definitely sure he killed it on this one. Okay, let's do justice to this.
No, this is so good, guys. I can't even explain it. This is so spicy, sweet, everything is together. Chef Flo, how do you do this?
God.
Please tell us, are you single?
Yes, single and
single
sexual.
ladies. Take note of.
Shoot your shot, go to chef.
This is a husband material.
How you're going to get it is that you order a bowl of meal. Ask that he come and deliver it to you himself. That way, you can hajele him. You get it. But guys, this meal was really delicious. It was really, really nice. Thank you for always making sure you cook from your heart, because this is a meal made from the heart. Thank you so much. Thank you for staying tuned. Don't forget to follow us on our social media handle on Facebook and on Instagram at Zoke Kitchen. Like, comment, and share. Bye-bye. Guys, let's do a dance.
Bye.
Yeah,